I've been enjoying having short, naked nails and taking a social media break for the past 2 months, but I'm back because I want pretty nails for the summer, starting with Barbie movie nails. And my favorite color happens to be pink. Let's go! I'm starting by scrubbing my nails with a brush and rubbing alcohol to cleanse them, then I wipe away the excess water with a paper towel for better adhesion. I've completely ignored my nails, basically all hiatus, so it's time to clean up the shape. I've been loving almond nails lately, but when they're this short, my go-to is square. Here I am applying cuticle remover, pushing back my cuticles and removing anything that is stuck on the nail plate. I'm mostly using dip powder for this look today, but I'm using the gel method. I use gel with dip powder because I get dip flu really bad. Dip flu is cold symptoms from the off-gassing of the dip liquid. So if you ever done your own dip nails and couldn't figure out why you were getting sick, dip flu could be why. I'm going to show you that process today. First, I apply primer because I want these on for a while. I'm using the Model 1's primer and honestly it's okay, but it's the only one I have at the moment. Then, just like with gel nails, I paint on a base coat, then I cure for 60 seconds. I also started Claim to Fame because I always need to have something on in the background and I kinda love it. Anyone else? Let me know your thoughts. Anyways, then I paint on another base coat and before curing, I tap over this pretty pink Barbie dip powder. But because the gel doesn't air dry like the dip liquids, we're gonna tap off the excess and then cure for 60 seconds. And yes, this does cure all the way. For this look, I'm going to chrome my middle and ring fingers, so I give them a black base polish for the best effect. After curing, I dust off the dip powder nails and go in for a second coat, repeating the steps from before. Paint a base layer of gel, tap over the polish, then cure for 60 seconds. Then dust off. After that, I top coat all of my nails, but for the black ones, I use a no-wipe top coat. That's right, it's time to chrome. My secret to the best chrome powder adhesion is curing that top coat for the 99 or 120 seconds, it depends on your lamp, and then putting it on immediately after. I call this the Disco Future Barbie Chrome, and it's perfect for my Barbie nails. didn't film this, but I top coat everything one more time, give it a cure, and here is what they're looking like. What do you think? As I said, I'm back with more nail content for you, so like and subscribe. It always helps. Catch you next time. Bye.